Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Jurassic World Tyrannosaurus Rex. This is the Dino Trackers. It has a sound, and it also moves. The mouth is quite big. Look at that. Scary. Okay, so let's just open it up. Going to cut a few straps here and then. Boom. To release this beast. So that's the tail. I think there's another strap somewhere. Okay. Not sure if you just drag them out like that, or and then also this mask, which, as much as you want to keep the case in nice shape, you can't really do it, unfortunately. So yeah, it's a bit disappointing. If you wanna just keep this nicely exposed in your... So these are the feet. I think you can move them around, but I will just leave them as it is, as the Jurassic World symbol in there. The tail, you just have to push it in by the looks of it. I guess it will be like this, maybe. Let's just see if it's matching. And there's also this, which you can wrap around the face, as you can see in here somewhere in there. But before we do that, let's just see what is moving. So you can move the legs like this, so you can stay a bit straight down, and I don't think they move individually, no. And the tail, I think that's how it should be. Not many moving parts. The hands, they do move. These tiny hands, they do move a bit. This will open, and when you, so that's where the speaker is, and you also have this map. So when you press this button, it's moving the head. So it looks like that's kind of his side. Oh, obviously now he's moving the other way, so he's playing tricks on me. It does a very scary noise. Let's see if it says on these instructions how many times to press. So you can scan that map thingy. So press the button for roaring sounds and chomping action. Yeah. So I guess you just press it once. So if you want to put this around, you have to open it up, and it goes like so, or think over the eye, kind of. And then you secure it in the same way as it was. Somehow. So that should stay around the eye, like so. Well, that kind of obscures the movement, so yeah, so I'm gonna take this down. Probably it's nice to have it when you store it somewhere in your kids' room. It's for kids from 4 years plus. So let's see. Okay, so maybe when it's in this position, it's moving the head. If you go down, still moving it. But what if you go all the way up? Yeah, still does it. Looks really nice. Looks really real. Unfortunately, you can't really see very well because it's from the top. It's a lovely toy. Also a lovely figurine if you are a collector. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.
This is the Jurassic World Wild Roar dinosaur, and my son loves it. He is 2.5, and he is never bored of it. He wants it every single day.